Oppo A52 with quad rear cameras, 8GB RAM launched. Price, specifications. Oppo has added another smartphone to its A series of phones with the announcement of the Oppo A52. The phone has been unveiled in China and is listed on the company website with only one RAM and storage configuration. But, there are two color options. The Oppo A52 comes with 4 cameras on the back, and a single selfie shooter, housed in the hole punch display. It has a large 5,000 mAh battery and comes with Oppo's HyperBoost technology that works with the processor to deliver a smoother experience. Oppo A52 price. The Oppo A52 has been listed on the Oppo shop in China with a single 8GB plus 128GB storage variant. It is priced at 1,599 Chinese yuans, roughly 17,300 rupees. The phone comes in 2 color options, black and blue. It is currently on sale in China. International availability has not been disclosed by Oppo. Oppo A52 specifications. The Oppo A52 runs Android 10 with ColorOS 7.1 on top. It has a 6.5-inch, 1,080 x 2,400 pixels, display with 90.5% screen-to-body ratio. The phone is powered by the octa-core Snapdragon 665 SoC, as seen on a Chinese operator China Telecom's listing. The phone comes with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM. In terms of cameras, the Oppo A52 has 4 on the back. According to the China Telecom listing, the primary shooter includes a 12-megapixel sensor and the secondary packs an 8-megapixel sensor. There are two 2-megapixel sensors as well, housed in the rectangular camera module, along with the flash. On the front, there's a single 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The Oppo A52 has 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. For connectivity, the phone has Wi-Fi, LTE, Bluetooth, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C port for charging, as seen in the operator listing. Talking about the battery, the Oppo A52 has 5,000 mAh capacity and it can be charged at 18 watts. There is also a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. The operator listing states the Oppo A52 measures 162.0 x 75.5 x 8.9 mm in size and weighs 192 grams. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.